Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Schedule E for rental property. First, gather all your rental income and expense records. You'll start by entering your property's address and the type of property, like a single-family home or duplex. Indicate your ownership percentage if it's not 100%. Also, specify the number of days the property was rented at fair market value and the number of days it was used for personal purposes. This foundational information is crucial for accurate reporting. Next, let's focus on reporting your rental income. You'll need to enter the total gross rents you received from all tenants during the tax year. This includes all payments for the use of the property. Don't forget to add any other income related to the rental, such as fees for laundry facilities or parking. Remember, security deposits are generally not considered income unless they are forfeited by the tenant. Now, let's move on to the deductible expenses section. This is where you can reduce your taxable rental income. Be sure to list all ordinary and necessary expenses, such as advertising costs, cleaning and maintenance, and any repair expenses. Don't forget to include insurance premiums, legal and professional fees, and property management fees. Mortgage interest and real estate taxes are also key deductions to report here. Finally, you'll need to account for depreciation. This allows you to recover the cost of the property and any improvements over time. Calculate the allowable depreciation for the year and enter it in the designated section. After listing all your income and expenses, the form will help you calculate your net rental profit or loss. This final amount is then transferred to your Form 1040, completing your Schedule E.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.